Hey everyone, I'm out here in Turkey and it's been about 4 months since I left for this trip of a lifetime, and it's been exactly that so far. But I figured it was about time to give you an update on what I've been up to for these past 4 months. I've seen some amazing places and had some incredible experiences, and I know I haven't posted much to share those with you, but the truth is I've been too busy enjoying myself and living in the moment to have a second to sit down and work and edit through all of that content. But I promise I've got some amazing things coming. I've finally gotten to a point in my trip where I've been able to slow down, and I've actually been at this amazing place in Turkey for almost 3 weeks, just trying to catch up on all of this amazing content that I've shot over the past 4 months. For my own sanity, I'm gonna be posting things in time order, starting from the beginning of my trip all the way back in May, so that hopefully pretty soon I can start sharing these experiences with you in real time as they happen, and trust me, some amazing things are coming down the line. I've been to over 11 countries and 40 cities in Europe and the Middle East so far, and I can't believe that it's been more than 4 months already. But I am ready and excited to embark on the next stage of this adventure, which is Southeast Asia. While I have loved these past few months in Europe and the Middle East, the truth is that this next part in Southeast Asia is the part that I was looking forward to the most from the moment that I left. And I can't wait to see what it has in store. So finally, I want to thank everybody that I've met along the way who's truly made this trip a trip of a lifetime. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy what's coming, and just know it's just the beginning.